Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to buy Robux with a Microsoft gift card. Now this is a very quick and easy thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you will want to do is open up your computer or laptop and just head over to the Microsoft Store like I'm on now. So once you're on here and logged in, you can go into the top right corner and you should be able to see an icon for your profile. And when you click on it, it will open up this drop down. And one of these options near the bottom will say redeem code or gift card. We're just going to go ahead and click that. From there, we want to just put in our gift card code here, and it should be a 25 character code. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and click next. And after that, it will successfully be added into your Microsoft Store balance. Now from here, what we will have to do is download Roblox on the Microsoft Store if we haven't already. And this is because it actually allows us to use our balance in the Microsoft Store. So even if you've downloaded Roblox through Windows, you want to go ahead over to the Microsoft Store and just re-download it through here. So it should say something like get instead of play here. So you can click that to download it. And then once it is downloaded, you can just click play to open it up. So it's now opened up and we can now buy Robux. So we want to just go into the top right corner. We should see this little Robux symbol and we can click on that to actually buy some. So here we can choose how much we want to buy. So let's just say I wanted to get 800. I'd click on this. Then as you can see, it now opens up the Microsoft Store. So once you click on that, it will open up this new tab like you can see at the bottom of my screen. And on there, it will show all the payment methods that you have available. And since we've added to our balance with that Microsoft gift card, we will be able to use that Microsoft gift card to pay for our Robux. So that's exactly how you can buy Robux with a Microsoft gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.